What's up, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you the difference between an if and a switch statement. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so we're going to try to decide whether or not a number is even or odd. So let's create a int num and set it to 10. And we're going to create an if statement inside that saying if num mod 2 is equal to 0, system out num is even, and for else num is odd. Alright, so when we run this, it only executes what's inside your if. So for if statements, it only executes one block of code. Alright, so now we're going to create a switch statement. So switch num mod 2. So we're going to say case. Our first case is if it's 0 colon num is even. Our second case default num is odd. Alright, so when we run this, alright, see how it executes 10 is even and 10 is odd. So for the difference between if and case is that if only executes one block of code, a case executes every block of code. But there is a way around it if you don't want it to execute every block of code. So for here, we say if switch num mod 2 case 0, we'll have the printout statement, and then under our print we'll have a break statement. So what this does is once that case is found, the switch statement completely ends. So let's run again. Alright, so now you know that 10 is even for if and 10 is even for switch statements. So that's the difference between the if statement and a switch statement. If you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.